will shoot you. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are playing with this trusty old. And also we're in a backyard. We're inside our backyard. We're actually gonna open this trusty space blaster. It's actually a laser gun, and also we're gonna open it now. So we start opening it. Oh, meter up. Get that out. Here. Goodbye, get out. Oh, this is different. So that's all the guns we have. About 4 in the set. Right now we have. Here we have 2, and the other side we have a little bit more. So I'm gonna get you.
So what it comes with 4?
Yes, it comes with 4.
It's a different color too.
Yes. You can also switch teams.
But it requires a battery. Toby, show me your gun. Oh, an orange one. Orange, green,
Blue
white, and white. Blue and white. Nice. So what do you guys think? Is this too big or is it good?
Good. This is probably good.
Yeah, we bought it off Amazon.
Yeah. And please like the video and subscribe and ring that bell or else I will shoot you. I smashed the like.
See you guys in the next video.